I hope you all are fine and doing your work very well. Welcome back to EVS class. My dear students, we have started 9th number lesson in the last session. Okay, what is the 9th number lesson? Dear drops. In the last session, we have learned about different uses of water. Do you remember, students? What are the different uses of water that we have learned? Yes, drinking, cooking, bathing, mopping the floor, cleaning the vessels, cleaning the clothes, watering the garden plants and many more. These are some uses of water. Like us, animals and plants, they also need water to live. Alright. So, in today's class, we are going to learn more about the water. Okay. So, write down the keywords in your notebook. We'll see one by one the keywords. You have to write it down in your notebook and also say with me. Okay. The first keyword is fresh water. F-R-E-S-H. Fresh. W-A-T-E-R. Water. Fresh water. Okay. The next word is shortage. S-H-O-R-T-A-G-E. Shortage. Then we have the word drought. D-R-O-U-G-H-T. Drought. Then cactus. C-A-C-T-U-S. Cactus. Then we have the word kangaroo rats. K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O. Kangaroo. R-A-T-S. Rats. Kangaroo rats. Okay. Then the next word is camels. C-A-M-E-L-S. Camels. Then the next word elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Alright, students. What are the keywords? The keywords are fresh water, storage, draft, cactus, kangaroo rats, camels and elephant. I hope you have written all these keywords in your notebook. Now, my dear students, tell me what you do with the leftover water in your bottle. What do you do? Okay. We can use the leftover water to watering the plants and to wash our hands. Okay. As we all know that water is very much important for all the living things. So, we should not waste water at all. Okay. So, whenever we have the leftover water in our bottle, that time we can use that water to water in the plants or to wash our hands. We should not throw or we should not waste water. Okay. Now tell me, which is the main source of water? Do you know that? Yes, the main source of water is rain. We all get water from rain. That water is called fresh water. Okay, the water which we get from rain. Alright, students. Now tell me, what will happen if we do not have rain? Can you tell me what will happen? Yes, if there is no rain, then we may have less water. Okay, we may have less water or we will not get enough water to use. It means we have shortage of water. If there is no rain, then we will have less water to use or we do not have enough water to use. Okay, it means we have shortage of water. So here what is meant by shortage? Yes, if there is no enough water, if there is no enough water to use, then we can say that we have shortage of water. So here, if we do not have rain or we have a little rain, okay, we have little rain, then we will get less water. It means no enough water to use. And what we have then? We have shortage of water. Alright. In the same way, if there is no rain for a long time or absence of rain, sometimes we may see that there is no rain in some areas, people do not get water at all or do not get rain at all. Okay. So this absence of rain, because of that, what can happen? Yes, plants may dry, then animals may die because they do not get anything to eat and drink. Okay, so that condition is known as drought. Okay, what is that condition is known as? That condition is known as drought. Means absence of rainwater. Here, absence of rain or rainwater, absence of rainwater for long time. Okay. What will happen if there is absence of rainwater for long time? Yes, the land will dry or it will completely dry. Then what will happen? Yes, the plants will also dry and they may also die without water. Then it will happen same with the animals. Animals will die. Why? Because they do not get anything to drink or to eat. Why this will happen? Because they do not get anything to eat or drink. Okay. See, this drought means absence of rainwater for long time. It has effect on the lives, such as the land will dry. The land will completely dry. Then plants will dry and they will die. Animals, they will also die because they do not get anything to drink and to eat. Okay, so these are the effect of drought. Do you understood? What is meant by shortage? What is meant by drought? Shortage means if we have little water to use or we do not have enough water to use. And drought means there is absence of rainwater. Understood? Yes, here we have little water to use and here we do not have water to use. Okay? So this is called as drought. Understood? Good. So my dear students, as we all know that the living things, they need water to live. So water is very much essential for us and we have to use water very carefully. We should not waste water at all. Okay? So here we can say that all the living things, do they need same amount of water? No. We can say that the need for water is not same for all living things. Okay? This is depend on the size of animal, where do they live, what is the climate that time. Okay? This decide what amount of water the animals they will require. Okay? Here as we can see that all the animals, they do not need same amount of water. Okay? Some animals are small in size and some animals are big in size. Animals such as rat, and elephant. Okay, so rat is small animal and elephant is big animal. Okay, so some animals they need water in large amount, such as elephant. Okay, as elephant need water in large amount. Okay, which animal need water in large amount? Elephant. Okay, elephant use water for drinking and bathing also. They keep their body cool by using water. Okay, as they are big, so they need large amount of water. And some animals such as this kangaroo rat, they do not need large amount of water. Okay, these kangaroo rats, they do not need water at all, as they get water from their food. Okay, this kangaroo rats, what I said, they do not drink water. Okay, do not drink water. Why? Because they get water from their food. Okay, as they get water from food they eat. Okay, they get water from their food. Then we have seen the cactus plant. Do they need water in large amount? No. Like say this kangaroo rat, these cactus plants, they also do not need more water. Okay, these cactus plants, they do not need more water. These kangaroo rats and these cactus, they live in hot area. Okay, where do they live? They live in hot areas where is very less amount of water available. So these rats and these cactus plants, they do not need more water. Okay, and we will write cactus plants also. They do not need more, they need less water. Okay, they need less water. Same way, camels also live in the hot areas. Okay, camels, they also live in the hot areas. Okay, these camels, they also live in the hot areas. So these camels, they drink large amount of water at one time and they can go for long time. They store this water in their body for long time. Okay, these camels, they store water in their body. Okay, camels, they store water in their body, and we can say that the uses of water or need of water depends on what? Yes, size. Then it also depends on the climate. See, if there is winter season, then we need less amount of water, and if there is a summer season, then we need large amount of water. It also depends on the activity what we are doing. Okay, it also depends on the activities. Such as, suppose you are sitting at a place and doing study, you will need less amount of water. But if you are playing on the playground, you are exercising, you are running, that time you need large amount of water. Understood? So here we can say that there is need of water is different for all living things. Some living things need large amount amount of water, such as big trees, big animals like elephant, they need large amount of water. And animals like these rats, then these kangaroo rats, insects, they need less amount of water because they are small in size. Plants such as cactus and other small plants, they need less amount of water as they are small in size, and big trees, they need large amount of water. Understood? Then one more thing, that is climate, where what is the climate? It also decides what amount of water we will be required. Okay, if there is rainy season, winter season, then we will need less amount of water. And if there is summer season, we will need large amount of water. And the activities, these also decide what amount of water we are going to require. Okay, if we are studying, sitting at a place and studying, we will need less amount of water. And if we are playing on the playground, we will need large amount of water. Understood? Okay, so you have to write it down in your notebook. This also you have to write it down in your notebook. If you have taken it out, you can ask. And one more activity you have to do, that is you have to write it down what uses we are having of water. Okay, and how can we save water. Understood? What you have to write? You have to write uses of water and ways to save water. Okay, students? Good. We'll see next point in the next session. Till that time, thank you.